Hello po sir, this is my activity 3, Abada Srian Crescenti from BSN 1A po. So, I am going to present the structures and properties of water po. So, the structure of water. So, water is a molecule, contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, linked as a covalent bond. Next is the properties. So, first is polar molecule. Polar molecule can dissolve ions for transport. So, dahil po polar molecule ang water, it can dissolve ions para po matransport sa ibang part ng katawan po. Next naman po is we have high specific heat capacity. So, it acts as a buffer to temperature change. So, ang water po ay may high specific heat capacity kaya hindi po siya agad umiinit or lumalamig. At para naman po uminit siya, kailangan niya pa po ng konting heat para po uminit. Next naman po is we have high latent heat of vaporization po. So, high latent heat of vaporization, it is the reduction of temperature through sweating. So, ang water po, it has a high latent heat of vaporization. Kaya po, maraming init ang na-absorb bago po siya lumabas. So, because of this, bumababa po ang temperature ng body natin through sweating. So, bale po, it helps reduce the body temperature po. Yun lang po. Thank you po.